Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to name your group on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click groups, and here you will find create group, click on it, and here you can name your group, name any name you want, and that's it. That's how to name your group on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.